Welcome to EASY2CLICK. During the next few minutes, I will give you a quick review of the Customer Information module in EASY2CLICK CRM. The Customer Information module is your database containing all your customer leads and customers. You have the ability to create new, edit, and delete leads or current customers. The Customer Information module is your overview of each customer or customer lead. If you need to import leads and customers from a current system, you can use EASY2CLICK's import function to quickly and easily import data yourself, or let us help you with it. The Customer Information module will display 4 sheets. The 4 sheets contain different types of relevant information for the individual customer. You have the option to add an additional sheet, which might, for example, contain information relating to the products or services you sell. It may also be other information that is of importance to you and your business. The 4 sheets in the Customer Information module are: Account. Here you will find all relevant information for the customer. This could, for instance, be a business if you work with business to business, or a private person if you are working with business to consumer. This example is based on business to business. Person sheet. Here you will find all important information on relevant contact persons of the individual customer. Contact sheet. Here you will find all previous contacts you or your colleagues have had with the customer. Overview sheet. This sheet collects the most important information from the other 3 sheets so you can quickly get an overview of the relationship with the customer. Each of the 4 sheets comes with a set of different icons that refer to the active sheet. Therefore, New on the account sheet would mean a new customer, and the new icon on the person sheet means a new contact person for the customer. First, you have a search icon that allows you to search the customer database of EASY2CLICK. You also have an icon for manual account creation if you wish. To edit customer data, click on the Edit icon. And finally, an icon to delete customer data. If you have previously carried out a search, you will also be shown the icon Back to Search Results. A click on this will return you to the results of your latest search so you can quickly and easily find the correct customer. You can now pull out a lead from the database. To do this, click on the search icon and enter your search parameters in one or more of the open fields. In this case, I am searching for a company with the name EASY2CLICK. All data for this customer will then be loaded and displayed on the various sheets. The account sheet contains the contact details of the customer. On the person sheet, you can see the contact details of all contact persons associated with the individual company. You also have the option to specify a preferred form of communication for each contact person and whether the contact person would like to receive your newsletters. The contact sheet shows, in so-called contact strings, all the activities that there have previously been with a customer. Contact strings make it easy for you and your colleagues to quickly get an overview of contacts with each customer. It is also possible to attach or download the relevant documents to the customer and contact string if you wish. This is done by clicking on the paper clip on the relevant contact string. The overview sheet contains all the most important information gathered on the customer. Here you can also see the sales milestones. Sales milestones are a unique tool that constantly gives you an overview of how far each customer has progressed in the sales process. Sales milestones can be set up so that they reflect your company's sales process, so you can decide on the number of important sales activities yourself and choose which milestones in your sales process you think are most important for you and your business. In this way, EASY2CLICK helps you follow the sales process and measures your progress towards more sales. Besides functioning as a tool that gives you an overview of each customer, by clicking on the desired milestone, you can launch the next activity for the customer directly in the Sales module with the selected sales activity marked. This makes it easy to work with the sales process directly from the overview sheet. I will now show you how to easily create a customer and add a contact person for the customer. You click on the New icon. To create the customer, all fields with an asterisk should be filled in. In this example, we have chosen these fields to be mandatory. In addition to the entered customer data, you can also see that the system indicates who is the seller responsible for the customer. In this case, it is John. If you are creating the customer manually, this will be indicated in the Created By field. You can easily change this and specify where your customer lead is coming from. This is useful, for example, if you met the lead at a trade show. It can also be that inquiries from your website can create customers directly in EASY2CLICK. This can easily be set up and can also create a task in your or a colleague's calendar so that the customer can be contacted in due course. Then click Save. You have now easily and efficiently set up a new customer. The customer you have created is now in the customer database and is now available to all your colleagues. To create a contact person associated with the created customer, you choose the Person sheet and click New. Here you can also fill in all the relevant data fields. Then I click Save and I have now created a contact person for my customer.